friends, and good morning. Can you feel that special buzz in the air? Absolutely. You would feel some strange and thrilling energy because it is 14th August, Pakistan's Independence Day. It's a day of pride, remembering the great sacrifices made for our freedom. On August 14, 1947, Pakistan was born not just as a home for South Asian Muslims, but as a strong voice for the Muslim Ummah worldwide. Today, I want to talk about something truly powerful: patriotism. So, what is patriotism? It's more than just waving a flag. Patriotism is a deep love for our country. It's that strong feeling of loyalty and pride for Pakistan. Its culture, its people, and its values. It's about feeling connected to our nation and working together to make it even better. Patriotism is a burning passion inside us. For us as students, it's about our everyday choices. It's studying hard to become the doctors, engineers, and leaders Pakistan needs. It's keeping our schools clean, respecting teachers, and being kind to everyone. Every small act of responsibility, every effort in your studies, that's patriotism. When you do your best, you're building a strong Pakistan. As our great founder, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah taught us, with faith, discipline, and selfless devotion to duty, there is nothing that earthwide that we cannot achieve. This is the spirit of patriotism. Patriotism
बेटा
also
चुप हो जाए.
shines through incredible courage. Think of our brave soldiers at the borders, day and night. They sacrifice their comfort, their time, and sometimes even their life, so that we can live in peace. Their sacrifice is the deepest love for our homeland. And let's remember brilliant minds like Dr. Abdul Salam, who won the Nobel Prize, making Pakistan famous worldwide. These heroes, Abdul Sattaridi, Abdul Qadir Khan, Major Aziz Bhatti, Captain Colonel Sherhan, whether in uniform or in laboratories, truly show the spirit of patriotism. Land of the brave, home of the true. Land of the brave, home of the true. My soul belongs forever for you. Through storm and fire, I will stand. With pride, I serve my motherland. Our religion, Islam, also teaches us to love our homeland. The Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam loved Makkah and prayed for Medina. Islam teaches us to be good citizens, to help society, be just and compassionate, helping others and working for our community, match both our faith and patriotism. My dear friends, as we look forward to August 14, remember, patriotism is action. It's living with integrity,